What's going on, everybody? Check it out. My succulent shelf is a little bit low. This is where I usually display my succulents, where I take photos, create my blog posts, and then I share them with the neighborhood. So obviously that's a little low. We need to fill that up. So I went ahead, went and splurged at the nursery today. Got some beautiful little succulents here. Got a great deal. Not too much, probably gonna need some more. Got some beautiful plants. Big Echeveria blue sky, I think it is. There's the Echeveria neon breaker. This is the Echeveria, it's blue curl or something like that. Got some Echeveria Lola in there. Bunch of random stuff, some aloes over here. We got the cat claw Echeveria. Oh, found some variegated stuff over here. A couple variegated things. Little mixture. Something unique right here got going on. Gotta identify a few of these still. Few very unique aloes right here. Thought I'd just share it, make a quick video. We'll go ahead and fast forward this. I'm just gonna fill up my shelf, and that's about it. Got some Tradescantias. Got a Euphorbia Medusa, or a Medusa, yeah. Echeveria Perlevon, Nuremberg. I think this is the Echeveria, I don't know. They call this like the fairy garden cactus. We got some panda paws over here, the chocolate. I got the chocolate and the other one. Where's the chocolate? I thought I got, or that is the chocolate one. And we got another one somewhere. I think I'm missing a tray. I left it in the car. And yeah, some senecio going on over here. Just a few unique. Got some stuff on clearance. And they're not the best looking, but some of them are pretty beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward it and go ahead and fill up my shelf and see if I can spread these out and make it look nice. So yeah, here we go. Here we go. This is a cool one. This is the variegated coral reef aloe. Closer. Just spreading these around, like, you know, doing a little pattern got going on. There you go. And that's pretty much it. Variety of different colorful succulents. Got it spread it out. If you remember what it looked like before, I think that did the trick. Just enough. I got a few 2 inches. I'm gonna go in there and put them in between. Not right now though, it's getting kind of late. I got my little security camera on here. Any turd burglars coming on at night, coming for the succulents, I'll catch them. Haven't had any problems yet. Knock on wood. Yeah, well, there it is, guys. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe.